Welcome you again to this episode of Physical Geography, where today we are going to learn two main questions, which are parts of physical geography. Let's start by the question number one. The question number one is asking, what is an earthquake? It is asking, what is an earthquake? What is an earthquake? When you talk of earthquake, it is a sudden earth movement that causes vibrations within the earth crust. So meaning that when the earth crust is vibrating, such a geographical term is referred to as an earthquake. Let's go to question 1, sub question B. Identify the scale. Identify the scales used to measure I, the magnitude of earthquake, double I, the intensity of earthquake. So the magnitude of earthquake is measured by the Ritcher scale, while the intensity of earthquake is measured by Mercalli scale. Let's go to the question number 2. The question number 2 is asking, state 3 effects of rotation and 3 effects of revolution movements of the earth. Remember that in the previous episode we were talking about the types of rotation, types of earth movement. We talked about rotation movement and revolution movement. And remember that rotation is the movement of earth spinning on its own axis, while revolution, it's a movement of the earth when turning around the sun. So meaning that so when the earth turning around the sun and when the earth turning around on its axis, there are some effects, there are some results, there are some consequences that will take place. Let's start by the effects of rotation. Rotation causes day and night. It causes day and night. So meaning that the part of the earth that is facing to the sun, it will have light and this will be day. And the part of the earth which is not facing the sun will be dark, and that darkness, it is what we call the night. So therefore it causes day and night. We have deflection of winds and ocean currents. So just unlike the earth rotates from the west to the east. So meaning that when the earth is rotating from the west to east, the winds in the southern hemisphere will deflect to the left, while those of northern hemisphere will deflect to the right. So therefore that is also an effect. We have also time difference between longitude. So meaning that the time between the two longitude are not the same. So from 0 degree to 15 degree, if there is 1 hour, from 15 to 30 degree, we also add another hour or subtract another hour depending on the direction. If you are going to the eastern side, we add 1 hour, but if we are going to the western side, we subtract 1 hour. So meaning that between two longitudes, there is time difference. It causes rising and falling of ocean or sea tide. So meaning that the seawater will increase or decrease. Let's go to the effects of revolution. The effects of revolution. Here, when you talk of the effect of revolution here, when the earth is turning around the sun, there are some consequences, there are some results that will take place. For example, varying lengths of day and night. So meaning that the lengths of day and night will not be equal due to this revolution movement of the earth. So this is unequal length of day and night. We have also change in season. We shall be having 4 seasons. We shall be having spring season, autumn season, summer season, and winter season. It also causes lunar eclipse. So this lunar eclipse occurs when the earth comes between the sun and moon, where the light of the sun will be blocked by the earth, and we shall be having this lunar eclipse. There is also beginning and ending of the year. So it takes 365 and a quarter of days for revolution take place. So meaning that when revolution starts, so this is the beginning, and when it ends, this is also the ending of the year. It starts on the 1st January and end on the 31st December of every year. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and give comments so that we keep on improving our teaching and learning practice.